Good morning, children. This video session is for class 3, subject mathematics. Term 3, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is geometry. And this is our lecture number 4. Today's topics are solid figures. In that, we will learn about cylinder, cone, and sphere. Surface, plane surface, and curved surface. And exercise 3D, question number 1 and 2. Now beta, I'm going to show you one cylinder shaped object. Okay, so for that I have a water bottle. Okay, now beta, I will tell you that how we can count the number of faces, edges and vertices. So let's start. So here you can see that this is the curved face beta, goal face, curved face. So one curved face it has. Now this is the plane face. Okay, so 1 and 1, 2, and here the third face. So how many faces a cylinder shape object has? That is 3 faces, 2 plane face and 1 curved face. Now I will tell you that how many edges are there. So here you can see that this curved edge, okay, this curved edge joins these two faces, है ना. इस plane face को और curved face को इस line ने join किया है. It means this is the one edge, okay, and here this edge is joining this and this face. So here second edge. So how many edges it has? That is 2 edges, okay, and how many vertex it has? It doesn't have any vertex, okay, it doesn't have any vertex. Understood beta? Now beta, I am going to tell you that how you can draw the cylinder shape on your notebook page. First of all, you have to make 2 lines format like this. Then you have to write date 3/2/2021, and here you need to write Wednesday and CW. In between you have to write chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is geometry. Okay, so beta, now you have to draw cylinder shape. So here we will make one standing line, okay, and then leave 2 lines, and again we will make a standing line. Okay, now we will make a circle like this, okay, small, curved, okay, at the top and again at the bottom also. So this is our cylinder shape. Now we have to write its faces, vertex and edges. So here you can know that we have 3 faces in this cylinder shape. This is the plane shape and this is also the plane shape, okay, and this is the curved shape. So there are 3 faces, okay. So here we will write curved face, okay, and this is the plane face and this is also the plane face, okay. Now we will write about its edges. So here beta, this is the edge, one edge. So here we will write edge, okay, and this is also the edge because it joins 2 faces, okay, and there is no vertex in this cylinder shape. Understood beta? Now beta, properties of a cylinder. So here this is cylinder shape and now we will write its properties. So here number 1 is it has 3 faces. 2 faces are plane, okay, and 1 face is curved face, okay. So this and this is the plane face, okay. So there are 2 plane faces and 1 face is curved. This is the curved face, okay. Number 2, that is it has 2 edges, this one and this, 2 edges. And number 3, that it does not have any vertex or corner. इसका कोई भी vertex या corner नहीं होता, okay. Now beta, I am going to show some cylindrical shape object, okay. So let's start here at number 1. This is a which object? Water bottle, Okay, so here we will write water bottle. W-A-T-E-R water. B-O-T-T-L-E bottle. Water bottle. Number 2. This is a candle. Cylindrical shape candle. C-A-N-D-L-E candle. Next one is, these are cells. C-E-L-L-S cells. Okay. Number 4. This is a Coca-Cola and we call it can. C-A-N-E can. Understood, beta? So now beta, I am going to show you one cone shape object and then we will know that how we can count the number of faces, edges and vertex in that. So here I have a birthday cap. Okay, now we will count that how many faces it has. So here you can see that this is the face of this cap. Okay, and this is the curved face. Okay, curved matlab golai wala face. Okay, now this is the plain face. So how many faces this has? 1 and 2. One plain face and one curved face. Now I am going to tell you that how many vertex it has. Vertex means corner. So here only one vertex is there. Okay, beta? So in cone shape object only one vertex is there. Now we will count the number of edges. So here I told you earlier that which joins two faces, that is the edge. So here one face is curved and one face is plain, and this line joins these two faces. So this is only the edge. It means only one edge in this cone shape. Understood, beta? Now beta, I am going to tell you how you have to draw the cone shape in your notebook page. So first you have to make two lines form it like this. Okay, and then you have to write the chapter number and geometry. So here we will write cone. So to draw cone shape, we will make two slanting lines like this, one and like this, two, means V shape. Okay, and after that we will make a curved line like this. Okay, so this is our cone shape. So here this is the plain face and this is the curved face. So here we will write the curved face and this is the plain face. Here we will write plain face. Okay, and this is the edge because it meets two faces है ना, ये हमारे दोनों faces को जोड़ रही है. So this is the curved edge. Okay, so here we will write edge and this is the corner or vertex. So here we will write the corner, C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. Understood, beta, how you have to draw cone shape in your notebook. Now properties of a cone. So it has two faces, one curved face and one plain face. Number 2, it has only one edge and it has only one vertex. Understood? Now beta, cone shape objects. So now I am going to show you some cone shapes. Okay, so let's start. Here, this is the cap beta. Okay, we called it birthday cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday, C-A-P, cap, birthday cap. And the next one is, this is a carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Now, the next one is, yes, but you can call it, these are the traffic cones. ठीक है बेटा, जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक होता है वहाँ पे ये कोन्स लगाए जाते हैं. तो these are called traffic cones. Understood? T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic, C-O-N-E, cone, S, cones, traffic cones. And here the next one is the ice cream cone. So here we will write I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, C-O-N-E, cone. ice cream cone. Now beta, I'm going to show you one sphere shape object. Okay, so here I have one bowl. Okay, and you can see that it has only one face. Okay, it doesn't have any vertex है ना, इसका कोई भी corner नहीं है, and it doesn't have any edge because it has only one face. So if there is only one face, then there is no edge. Okay, so we can say that here in sphere shape objects we have only one face. Understood, beta? Now beta, I'm going to tell you that how you have to draw the sphere shape in your notebook page. So first of all, you have to draw the format and write the date and day, CW, chapter number 3, geometry. Then we will write a sphere. So beta, to draw a sphere, we need a bangle. Okay, so first of all, keep the bangle on the notebook page like this. Okay, hold it and you have to draw the circle in between this bangle with the help of a pencil like this. Okay, like this, slowly you have to draw the circle. Okay, you have to hold the bangle, okay, so that it will make a circle like this. Okay, after that we have to keep this bangle aside. Okay, now in this circle we have to draw a S shape like this, slowly, yes, and again we will make S shape in between this circle. Now beta, it looks like a sphere. Okay, so now how many faces a sphere has? That is one face. So here we will write the face. Understood beta? So with the help of a bangle we can draw sphere shape. Understood? Now beta, properties of a sphere. Okay, so now we will write properties of sphere here. So here is a sphere shape. Okay, now we will write its properties. So first property is it has only one face. Okay, it has only one face. Second property is it doesn't have any edge. Okay, first of all we will write about face, then we will write about edge, and after that we will write about vertex. So it does not have any vertex or corners. Okay beta, now beta, I'm going to show some sphere shaped objects. So let's start. Here the first one is this. Which object is this? You all know that? Yes, this is a football. So here we will write football. F-O-O-T, foot. B-A-L-L, ball. Football. Okay. Now the second object. Which object is this? Do you know? These are marbles. Okay. कंचे जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Okay. So here we will write marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S. Marbles. Now the third one is, yes, can you tell me which object is this? This is a globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Okay. The next one is, yes, this is an orange. Okay. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Okay, beta. Now beta, we will learn about surface, which is given on page number 38. So what do you mean by surface? The part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called its surface. An object may have different types of surfaces. The part of a solid, solid का वो part जिसे हम देखते हैं और टच करते हैं, ठीक है? that is called its surface. वो उसका surface कहलाता है. An object may have different types of surfaces. एक object के अलग अलग तरह के surface हो सकते हैं. So we will learn about types of surfaces. Okay. Surface number one is plane surface. The floor, top of a table, dice and the blackboard all have only plane or flat surfaces. ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो है बेटा लाइक फ्लोर, टॉप ऑफ अ टेबल, डाइस एंड द ब्लैकबोर्ड, इन सब के जो सरफेस हैं वो कैसे हैं बेटा, प्लेन और फ्लैट. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन बोर्ड. यू कैन सी द सरफेस ऑफ दिस बोर्ड इज प्लेन. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज कर्व्ड सरफेस. A ball, an orange, the globe, an egg, and an electric bulb all have only curved surfaces. ठीक है, ball, orange, globe, egg और electric bulb, इन सब का जो surface होता है वो कैसा होता है जब हम इसे देखते हैं, that is curved surface. Okay, so here I am going to show you one or two objects like this football. It has curved surface. Okay, and this globe, it has also curved surface. Okay, now the next one is plane and curved surface. A candle, pencil, battery cell and chalk all have both plane and curved surfaces. यहाँ पर बेटा कैंडल, पेंसिल, बैटरी सेल, चॉक, इन सब के जो सरफेस होते हैं वो दोनों होते हैं प्लेन एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस. ठीक है, so let's see how. So here you can see this is the battery cell. So in this is the plane surface. Okay, and bottom part also the plane, but this part is curved surface. Understood? तो इनके अंदर दोनों ही तरह के सरफेस हैं, प्लेन सरफेस भी है और कर्व्ड सरफेस भी है. Understood? Now beta, remember this thing that we can draw different types of shapes with the help of straight and curved lines. Understood beta? Now exercise 3D question number 1, give one word answer. So here it is given in A part, a solid which has three faces. We have to write the name of that solid which has three faces, and we know that the name of that solid solid shape is cylinder. cylinder. Okay. Now in B part it is given a solid which has one face. So now we have to write the name of that solid which has only one face, and that is sphere. So S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, now in C part, a solid which has one edge. So here we need to write the name of that solid which has only one edge. So that is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Now in D part, a solid which has two edges. So which shape has two edges? That is cylinder. So here we will write C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Understood beta? Now question number 2. Take the correct shape as shown. So here in A part we have to see that which shape is given to us, and then we have to tick. We have two options here and we have to tick the correct option. So here the options are cylinder or cone. So first we will see this object, and this is Coke can. Okay, so what is the shape of this? That is cylinder. So here we will tick cylinder. Okay, now in B part, this object is given and we have two options, cube or cuboid. So we know that this is dice and the shape of dice is cube. So here we will tick this cube. Now in C part, this object is given and this is the box. So what is the shape of this box? That is cube or cuboid? Cuboid. So here we will tick cuboid. Okay. Now in D part, this object is given, and which is this object? That is globe. So what is the shape of this globe? Sphere or cylinder? Sphere. So we will tick sphere. Now in E part, this object is given. So what is this object, beta? That is birthday cap. Okay. So which is the shape of this object? Cube or cone? So that is cone. So here we will take cone. Now in F part, this object is given and this is battery cell. Okay. So what is the shape of this? We have two options, cone or cylinder. So cylinder is correct. So we will take this cylinder. Okay. Now today's homework. So you have to draw shape of cylinder in notebook and write its properties. Okay, and do exercise 3D, question number 3, 4 and 5 in book only. So understood, beta? You have to draw shape of cylinder in notebook and you have to write its properties. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the homework sums of exercise 3D. Okay. Now I am going to show you homework sums which is given on page number 38. Okay. Exercise 3D. Question number 3. Name any three objects which have flat surface. But you have to write the name of three objects which have flat surface or plane surface. Now in question number 4 it is given name any three objects which have curved surface. Okay. So here you need to write those objects name which have curved surface. And in question number 5, you have to write the name of three objects which have both flat as well as curved surfaces. Okay. Now, homework discussion of lecture number 3. So here notebook page is given. So here beta, first of all we will write date and the date was 1/2/2021 because it was the homework of 1/2/2021. So here we will write Monday and HW. Okay. So here in between chapter number 3 geometry. Now I had given you draw the cube shape. So again I am going to tell you that how you can draw the cube shape in your notebook page. So here we will make a square like this. Okay. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 lines का हमने एक square बनाया. Now we will make another square of 2 by 2 again. And we have started it from the mid of this first square. Okay. Now we will meet its corner like this. Yes. So this is our cube. So now we have to write its faces. So this is the face. So first of all we will write face. Then edge. These are the edges. Okay. So here we will write edge. And after that the corner or vertex. So this is the corner. So here we will write corner or vertex. Okay, understood beta how we have to draw the cube shape. Properties of a cube. So here is a cube. Number 1, it has 6 faces. Number 2, it has 12 edges. Number 3, it has 8 vertices or corners. Number 4, all edges of a cube are equal. Understood, beta? So what you observe that when you want to write the properties of any of 3D shape, first of all you will write about its faces, then you have to write about its edges, after that you have to write its vertices. Understood, beta? So at the last, if any quality is in that object, then you have to write. Okay. Now but I am going to tell you that how you can draw cuboid shape. Okay, so in notebook page, first you have to write the date. Okay, then here Monday and HW. Chapter number 3 geometry, then cuboid. Okay, now we will draw. So to draw a cuboid, first of all we will make a cuboid rectangle like this with the help of these lines. Okay, 2 by 4 का हमने एक rectangle बनाया है. Now we will make another rectangle like this. Okay, yes, so it should be of same size. ठीक है, जो आपने rectangles draw कर रहे हैं वो same size के होने चाहिए. Now we will meet its corners. Okay, like this. So this is our cuboid shape. So here we will write its face, then edge. These are the edges and the corner, like this. Okay. Properties of a cuboid. So this is a cuboid. Here, number one, it has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. Number two, it has 12 edges. It has 12 edges. Number three, it has 8 vertices or corners. Okay. Number four, opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Okay. So again I am telling you how many faces? 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and opposite edges. This edge is equal to this edge. Okay, and this edge is equal to this edge. This edge is equal to this edge. Understood? So opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Thank you.